Law 6 for the establishment of Shahjalal University of Science and Technology in Sylhet. Since it is expedient and necessary to establish Shahjalal University of Science and Technology in Sylhet for the provision of facilities for higher education and research, especially for higher education and research in the field of science and technology. Therefore, the following law has been enacted. Short title and introduction 1. 1. This act may be called the Shahjalal University of Science and Technology Act, 1976. 2. It shall be deemed to have come into force on 25th of August, 1976. Definition 2. Notwithstanding anything contrary to the subject or context, in this act and in all constitutions made thereunder. A. Affiliated college means any educational institution recognized and affiliated by the university in accordance with the provisions of this act, the statutes and the university ordinance. B. Organ college means any college recognized by the university as an organ college. C. Principal means the head of a college. D. Institute means any institute recognized by the university as an institute. E. Academic council means the academic council of the university. F. Warden means the head of a hostel. G. Authority means the university authority referred to in this act. H. Grants Commission Order means the Bangladesh University Grants Commission Order of 1973, Residential Order No. 10 of 1973. I. Grants Commission means the Bangladesh University Grants Commission. J. Prescribed means prescribed by the statutes, university ordinances and regulations. K. Provost means the head of a hall. L. University means the Shahjalal University of Science and Technology established in accordance with this act. M. Year means any school year commencing from 1st July. 6. Registered graduate means a registered graduate in accordance with the provisions of this act. O. Greater Sylhet means the areas under Sylhet, Sunamganj, Mawai Bazar and Habiganj districts. P. Teacher means a professor, associate professor, assistant professor or lecturer of the university and any other person recognized by the university as a shirk. Q. Senate means the Senate of the university. R. Syndicate means the university syndicate. S. Constitution, university ordinance and regulations means the statutes, ordinances and regulations relating to the university in force for the time being. N. School of Studies means any school of studies of the university. P. All means the dormitory under the arrangement and maintenance of the university for the organized life and co-curricular education of the students of the university. F. Hostel means the dormitory for students of the university, which is operated by someone other than the university but affiliated and licensed by the university under this act. University 3. 1. In accordance with the provisions of this act, a university named Shahjalal University of Science and Technology shall be established in Sylhet. 2. Shahjalal Science and Technology for the first chancellor and the first vice-chancellor of the university and the first members of the Senate, syndicate and academic council and the persons who will become such officers or members thereafter as long as they hold such office. A statutory body called university will be formed. 3. The university shall have a permanent continuity and a common sealand, subject to the provisions of this act. It shall have the power to acquire, hold and transfer both movable and immovable property and a suit may be filed against the university in that name. Jurisdiction 4. The university shall exercise all the powers conferred by or under this act in the Greater Sylhet area. Power of University 5. Subject to the provisions of this act and the Grants Commission Order and the prescribed conditions, the university shall have the following powers. A. To make arrangements for the teaching and research of science and technology at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels and for the arts, social sciences and other subjects selected by the university, especially for research in modern science and technology, and for the advancement and distribution of knowledge. B. To determine the curriculum for veneration in the university and its affiliated colleges and institutes. C. To affiliate or revoke the affiliation of colleges and institutes. D. To grant degrees and other academic honors to a person who conducts examinations and studies the prescribed curriculum of the university, conducts research in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution or studies in person. E. Confer honorary degrees or other honors in the manner prescribed by the Constitution. F. To provide lectures and education for the purpose of awarding diplomas prescribed by the university to persons who are not students of approved colleges or institutes and to award diplomas in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. G. To inspect affiliated and affiliated colleges and institutes and their affiliated hostels. H. To cooperate with other universities and authorities in the manner prescribed by the university as required. I. Professor, Associate Professor.